Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Get some with it. Look at that.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing is Parmesan Roasties. Parmesan Roasties as in potatoes. So yeah, gonna be making some roasted potatoes, putting a bit of Parmesan on there, and just potatoes by itself really. I've always wanted to try and make it. Every time I see it, it looks nice, yummy, it makes me want to eat some. So here we go today, we're going to make an attempt to make one. But before going any further, I need you guys to subscribe. Well, yeah, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and MosToosifar as well. I'm talking really fast because I'm in a rush. I've got a meeting going on very soon. Brief. This is for YouTube. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. We're gonna get cooking. Don't go anywhere. Right guys, to begin with, as you can see, I have peeled a bunch of little miniature potatoes. All I'm gonna do is chop them in half. I've simply chosen these smaller ones because it's easier to deal with and it just looks a lot more cuter rather than getting the big chunks and then chopping up bit by bit and whatever. Anyway, that is turned onto full heat hopefully. Where are we? Hurry up, come on mate. Yeah, that's it. That's turned on. Now what we're going to do is slice these up into halves, right? And just try and not make a mess. Every time you do it, dip it in there. I'll put a little bit of water inside, okay? I'll put a bit of water in there just so maybe it doesn't help, it helps not to stick. But anyway, yeah, that's just what I'm doing. You don't need to do that, I'm just doing it. Alright, mate. Alright, just like so. Nice and easy. Try and get it fairly even sized. Got the heat going. Come on, come on. Right, what you want to do is be careful when you use a knife. You don't want to end up stabbing yourself, which is not cool, man. Not cool, man. Right, get rid of that. Get the water in there. Where's the kettle, mate? Stick it in there. Right, done. Let it crackle. When it gets to a boil, give it 10 minutes, switch it off. Right, it's been about 10 minutes since these have been boiling. All I'm going to do now is switch it off and I'm just going to drain out the water. Right, drain out the water. And now what I'm going to do is get this out. Right, drain it out nicely, let it do its thing. Give it a couple of minutes in there. Right, let it, you know, do its thing. Meanwhile, what you want to do is get these bad boys. And we need a bit of olive oil. So what you want to do, just make sure there's no water in there. Happy days. Pour it in like so. And all you want to do is, so I can get it open, season it, right? Get that going. Get some of that. Get a nice pinch of salt in there because you want it to be all nice and tasty, right? Wiggle it back, yeah. Just so as long as they flip sides, and then you can just crack on with a bit more pinch of pepper. Look at that lovely jubbly pepper going on in there. Beautiful, isn't it? Lovely. And now moving over to the last pinch of our lovely salt. Don't be shy with it. Bob's your uncle, mate. And now, pinch of olive oil. done. What you want to do is turn on the oven at 210, right? Give it the last little winkle about, shake it all about, yeah? Make sure it's all nice and oily and everything. It's gonna get jizzling. Jillies is gonna be. It's gonna be making a lot of jillies inside the oven. That is ready to go in the oven, right? It's been about half an hour-ish. Let's just bring it out and check to see what we've got going on. Oof. Yeah, it's a bit. Where's the? There you go. Give it a little wiggle like that. Put it in there for another half an hour until it becomes all nice, goldy, crispy, and yummy, guys. Right, just before we finish up, we're gonna add some of this, which is a bit of parsley. All I'm gonna do is grab it all together and just chop it up finely. Be careful with your fingers, right? This is going to get mixed up into the potatoes to garnish it a little bit and give it a nice taste, right? Now, there are other things where you can add to it, but I'm going to keep it nice and simple and easy. And who doesn't like a bit of fresh chopped up parsley with some Parmesan cheese? Hey? You let me know. Okay, we are almost there. Just do the final chopping up. Bada bing, bada boom. That is ready. Move this over there. Bring this grater here. I'm going to use the final one, the thing. If I can get this open, that is, of course. Yeah, look at that. Get your Parmesan out, right? Get that out of the way. All you want to do, can you guys see that, by the way? Is it clear? Just do that, really. Okay. Be generous with your cheese. Don't be stingy. Nobody likes anyone that is stingy with cheese. Grate it. Come on, son, I ain't got all day for ya. Hurry up. It's taking forever, mate. Yes, mate. Get some of that down, ya. You want it finely grated, beautiful. Some beautiful, lovely looking cheese. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Who doesn't like a bit of cheese on their food, eh? Cheese just makes everything taste so much nicer. Would you or would you not agree? Eh? Saveloy? I think I'm gonna keep on cracking on because I'm a real fan of cheese, so I can't never have too much cheese, you know? What do you reckon? Is that enough? Come on, mate! Come on, mate! Get some with it! Look at that! Voila! Beautiful. Place that in there for now. Move that over. Right. Right. Let's get all of this out of the way. Let's have a look, shall we? Call that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. See that? It makes, oh. me. Some of you might say, this is burnt. Mate, this is golden brown colour. This is beautiful. What are you on about? Right? Give it a little shake off. Where's that spoon? Oh. That spoon went in the wash and it never came out. Nice and crisp, guys. That's what we want. Oh. A nice crisp. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Yeah? Roasted, crispy potatoes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oi, oi, savaloy. Yeah, that is gorgeous, mate. That is absolutely gorgeous. Right? Look at that. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Don't care what you got to say. Because this bad boy right here is all we need. And just biting onto this by itself is amazing. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's alright. You just want to, that kind of cooled down fairly quick. So yeah, put everything into a nice bowl. Yeah. Just whack it all in there, mate. Because why not? And to top it off, just a sprinkle of cheese. Well, maybe just a little pinch more here, and just a few more on top. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your, what is this? Roasted potatoes with some cheese and parsley. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come